Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Sadekavkar and today I am going to tell you about the history in Java. So it is the technical topic, our favorite topic for the today's video. So the history of the Java is a very interesting. Initially the Java was made while creating the technology or the languages for the interactive televisions. The Java was creating the Java was creating for Java was made for creating the interactive televisions, but the Java technology was a very high or very high or the very fast or the very vast technology at that time for the cable infrastructure and the cable technology. So the Java is made and at that time they came to know that the Java can be useful for making the embedded system applications and the mobile applications. Basically the Java was trying to made for the Java was trying to make for the set-top boxes and the televisions, etc. Televisions, etc. Java was developed by the James Gosling in 1995. In 1995, the Sir James Gosling is said to be the father of the Java. Is said to be the father of the Java. So the initially it was designed for the small embedded systems in electronics in electronic devices as their language. Then firstly the Java is named as a Java is name as a green talk with the file extension name as the .gt, and then finally the Java is named as a work by the James Gosling. Then what is the work and why is the oak only? So the oak is one of the meaning of the oak is the strength and the strong. The oak is initially the national tree of the many countries like the USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. Romania, etc. Etc. But after some years they came to know that the oak is already owned the name by the oak system technologies. So there is a big question that then what to name this programming language. Then they decided to collaborate some of the names there are many suggestions for this for the name of this Java programming language like dynamic, unique, silk, silk, strong, robust, and etc. But they want some a unique name which can make its essence from their name only. So they decided to its name as a Java. So the meaning of the Java is that the strong and the robust and the unique in its all way. Also the silk is also one of the name suggestion for the Java programming language. Then what is the Java and why is the Java only? So the Java is one of the island in the Indonesia where the first coffee was made. And that coffee name is also the Java. So the James Gosling thinks that the coffee is the refreshment for the any person, and also the same like that the Java will be the refreshment for all the programmers also. So it names as the Java. it names as the Java. From the Java was developed by the James Gosling and his team, and the team name was the Green System. Green System. So the Green System team was made the Java. James Gosling and his green team and his team, that is the green team started working and research on Java in early 90s only. In early 90s only, the Java has the so many features, like it is a strong programming language, robust object oriented programming language, dynamic multi-threading, etc. So there are the many advantages and the very strongness of the Java compared to the various programming languages. Compared to the various programming languages. Then after the Java is created successfully, then there is a various versions of the Java came into the pictures, like the firstly Java 6, Java 5, 6, 7, 8, then the JDK, JVM, and all that concepts are included in the Java. As the persons were came to know about the internal features of the Java, mm, so that the concepts like the JDK, JVM, and the JRE are included in the Java. That how the Java actually works, then that came into the picture. So the Java is made. So the points to be remembered, that the Java is made while making for the interactive television, set-up boxes, etc. So it's all about the short and simple history of the Java. So thank you.